Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the video. So we're at Yirra Kartta hut. I just got up. We're going to have some breakfast, then we're going to go check out the granite outcrop that's up the hill. So the sign said this is a significant site for local Aboriginal people, so that's pretty cool. Whew. It's a bit of a hike. I brought breakfast with me. Gonna eat it up here with the view. How awesome is that? It's so quiet out here too. Breakfast time. Right, it's getting kind of sunny. Time to head back down. Probably about 9:30. And yeah, there's cell reception up here, so if you want to use the internet, that's a big bonus. I just spent some time talking to Taylor. Now we got to work out where we actually came from, because it all looks the same down there. I actually have no idea where I came from. It all looks the same. It must be over there somewhere, surely. Probably should have paid a little more attention coming up. It's really nice up here. I sort of found a little bit of shade under a bush and just laid down there for a bit. Although I think the moss maybe, well, that looks really slippery. Damn, where the heck? It all looks the same. Oh no. Wait, there was like some rocks. Oh yeah, there. Right, you'll know the way back because you'll see this pile of rocks. Whoever did that, thank you. So this hut's called Yirra Kartta, and I wanted to show you guys around a little bit. So there's a couple of water tanks, and then you can come through the hut here with a bit of wind protection and some seating. Then you've got the bunks either side there as well. Then out here, a bit of a view into the forest and a couple of picnic tables, which is pretty cool. And then out here, there's actually another picnic table, which is pretty sick. Here. And then the bike racks, camping's down there, and the toilet's over that way. I really like this hut actually. Considering the granite outcrop, this is probably one of my favourite huts. Really pretty. And it feels like we're so far from anywhere. I'll show you the only issue I have with this hut though. Listen. Do you hear that? That dripping all night. It rained just when I went to bed around 10, and since then, and you can hear it right through the dorm. It's really annoying. I'm not sure what that is, like where it's going, but besides that, this hut's great. So I'm just going to chill for the rest of the morning, then I'll have lunch, and then we're making our way to the next hut, which is 49.8 kilometers, and that'll be today done. So if you're coming from south to north and you get here and you notice the trail's closed, what you actually have to do is go back the way you came, and then there's an intersection at the roads. I think it's the first one you hit. It's only maybe a kilometre or two from here, and you'll see they've rerouted it, and it's about a 9-kilometre diversion. I think it's on Nelson Road. It's an easy ride as well, so it's a welcome diversion. I just noticed in the book some people had written that they get here and then they don't know, like the trail's closed and they missed the diversion. So yeah, FYI. Alright, so it's lunchtime. Rice sandwiches straight out of the restaurant. Cooked about a cup and a half, and I just wanted to use the rest of the bread that I had left over, and I'm putting Pringles in it as well. So we're going to finish this off and then we'll get going. Alright, I just finished lunch. Now it's time to start the 50-kilometre journey to Kwokralup Beela hut. Should be a pretty chill ride. Pretty keen for this, especially after taking the morning off. It'll be good to get some miles in. Bikes are ready to go. I'm ready to go. Say goodbye to the hut. Let's do it, guys. So a little FYI for you guys, if you see one of these attention signs, have a look at it. Usually they're a diversion or something like that, and they have a map on there. They show you what the diversion is, they tell you the distance of the old trail and the new diversion, and you can get an idea of what to expect. So this is the diversion that we did yesterday, and then we had to backtrack a little bit to get to the hut on the corner of Nelson and Bull Road. Just so you guys know, if you were going to keep going north, you'd come back here, and then you'd go you know, behind me on Nelson Road there. So I literally just went straight through one of these spiders' webs. I saw it, but I think I missed the spider. I nearly went through another one. Lovely. Yep, there's another one. Do you see it? Look at that. I've been trying to, I can't even see this web. I don't really want to just like destroy them, you know? But I don't really see what joys I've got. Oh yeah, got through. That one survived. I'm going to take it really slow through here because I don't really want one of those spiders on me. I think I can already see another one. God, are you for real? Yeah, there's another one. Come on, man. How am I going to get through here? Those spider webs are creeping me out. I like spiders, but I don't like big spiders on me when I can't see them. I had to walk through like half a dozen webs. I'm paranoid that there's going to be more. I keep seeing the flowers and thinking they're the spiders. They kind of look like them. Not the pink ones, these black ones. So we're about an hour and a half in. The trail's been pretty overgrown so far, but this has been the worst I've seen so far, so I wanted to show you guys. Look at that. You can hardly ride through it. Ooh. Whoa. Maybe I turned the wrong way or something. Damn. So we're 18.6 kilometers from that last hut, and if you guys get to this road crossing Beedmore and Ordnance, the signs actually say you can go either way. So you can go to the left or you can continue straight. And if I remember correctly, that's because there's a river crossing one way, which I think is if you go straight on. And I guess sometimes you can't cross it, there's too much water. I don't know what it's like right now. So we're just gonna go left and continue that way. All right, I changed my mind. We're gonna go straight on along Ordnance and see what's there, because I don't think I've been this way before. So it's a little exciting. And also looking up the other road is a hill, whereas looking up this one is flat. I think this route's a little longer, but we got time. So this must be it here. River crossing risk. Water crossings can be dangerous, blah, blah, blah. Don't cross when flooded. Hey, there is actually, which way do we go? This way. There is actually a little bit of water here. Oh, wow. Guys, this is amazing. Check this spot out. What the hell? Wow. Isn't that spectacular? What a beautiful little spot. I see why the Munda Biddi comes this way. Wow, this is really nice. You could even camp down here. You've got water. There's plenty of flat area to set your tent up. Wow, this would be a sick camp spot. And I mean, there's no cars coming through. I mean, you couldn't get across in a car, no way. I mean, that looks to me like, yeah, I mean, maybe in the middle of winter you might struggle to get across. But I mean, look, this is, when are we? Mid-April. You're not going to have any issues. Not for a while, I don't think. Yeah, you could just set the tent up here. Like right here. How nice would that be? Or maybe off the riverbed, like up there somewhere. This is sick. I can see why they keep this alternate route. Besides that river crossing, it goes through some really nice bush. It's been quite long though and a little bit overgrown. Probably because not many people come this way. But check this out, isn't it nice? All the red flowers. It's just a pretty long ride up the hill. That's all. Okay guys, so this is where it joins back together. So the diversion or whatever's over. That's that way over there. We're going this way. Looks like it's been pruned a little bit lately, which is nice. Check out how overgrown it is through here. It's been pretty typical of this whole ride today. It's kind of annoying because you get scratched by all the harsh leaves on the bushes and stuff. Let's open it up a bit now. I love these spots. They just open up and then you can see the forest in the distance. Looks really cool. Isn't this epic through here? See what I mean? Like it's flat, bushy, and then you disappear off into the trees again. So awesome. So it looks like we found ourselves back in some karri forest, going around some switchbacks. Check out how different it is. Trees, it's way cooler and a lot wetter. Whoa! 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 That snuck up on me, I didn't see it. Guys, look at this. Do you see that? That was actual insanity. It's gone right through the spokes. Whoa, that was insane. I guess I was like looking up at the trees, I looked down and this was right there. That was mental. Oh my God. Seriously though, you guys probably just saw all that as well. You saw me panic. I just like bailed off the bike. Look at that, right through. I don't think they're even bent. I don't think it's bent any spokes. I hit the brakes pretty hard. I'll have to pull it out really carefully. I'm not too sure how I'm gonna do that. What? Okay, let's carefully see if we can remove this. Okay. Do you see? It's probably 1.5 inches diameter. Yeah, one's a little bit bent down in here, but not enough to probably worry about. Wow. How the hell did we get away without destroying this rim? See, that one looks a little bit bent, but not really though. I don't know, I can't tell if it's bent or if it's just like how I'm looking at it. Well, it still looks true. Guys, this was the stick. You see that? Look at that. That was really, really lucky. I can't believe I didn't just destroy that wheel, or... I'll have to relook at the footage because it seemed like it was going to hit me. And that's why I sort of panicked. You know, I was talking on the GoPro, I was looking up at the trees. Then I looked down and next minute this thing's like pointing up at me. I didn't even really get a chance. I don't even really know what I did. It's going to be cool to look back on that footage, but obviously I'm going to throw this off the trail. Wow. All right, well, adrenaline's running, so let's keep going. Now this is some epic karri forest. Check out these trees. So 40 kilometers in, just wanted to show you guys these karri trees. This has got to be one of the most beautiful spots on the whole Munda Biddi. It's been like deep in the karri forest for probably like 10 kilometers, maybe a bit less. Check that out. Isn't that insane? And they're all around us as well. Big one over there. Big one right here. Isn't that awesome? So, we're gonna have a snack. Some of these barbecue Pringles. Kind of sick of these by now. Then we're gonna keep going. Should be less than an hour and we'll be there. FYI, these green, like whatever the hell they are, bush things, they're super sharp. I remember cutting myself on them as a kid and I just sliced my finger a bit just coming through them then. So yeah, either take it easy or, you know, just watch out. Let's eat some of these. Had to be too good to be true, didn't it, guys? Oh shit. So here's the diversion if you want to go to Mount Franklin. To the left, 5.5 kilometers. Otherwise, you just continue following the markers. I'm not too sure if it's signposted to Mount Franklin, but my guess is it would be. But we're not going there, not today. Maybe next time we do it though. So we've got about a kilometer to go. You'll enjoy a lot of nice descending down to this hut. It's been a really welcome rest. Mind you, like most of it we climbed earlier today, but anyway, that's okay. Just be careful, guys. Looks like the sign to the hut was missing. I saw the gate though. I mean, it's possible there's another way in, but my guess is there's just, yeah, no sign. I can see the hut there. Unless this is like a back way, yeah, I don't know. Doesn't matter. I mean, it seems like it would be the way in, right? I wonder if there'll be anyone here. My guess is no. There should be no one coming from my way. So unless there's someone coming from south, we're gonna be alone. Hello? Yeah, looks like we got it to ourselves, guys. Okay, so Munda Biddi that way. And then, yeah, cool. All right. Hell yeah, we made it. And dinner is served. The classic rice with soy sauce this time, no Tabasco at the moment. I've got 2 cups uncooked in there, and I was just having a look at the GPX file. Don't know if you guys can see it. If you want a good offline maps, Osmand, OSMAND, works really good, and it's actually free, so that's pretty sick. I actually bought the main version of it though, and you can put your GPX file into this, and I was just having a look at what we've done and what we've got coming up ahead. Let's eat. Fuck, that's hot. Alright, that's it. Dinner's done. Tent set up. Bug net. It's time to get to bed. Right, it's another day done now. It was a good day. It was nice to have a more chill day. I think one good thing I've learned is don't worry about what other people are doing, how quick they're doing it, how many miles they're doing every day. Just do it at your own pace. Always feels good. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Comment if you've got any questions, and remember to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching.